What's up guys, Johan here. Today at the shop we've got an M135 hot hatch. It came to the shop, we did a paint decontamination, we did a single stage paint enhancement. Now we're going to do a full PPF wrap over the entire car. As you can see, we're getting our software and our plotting machine ready to cut the templates for the 135. We'll show you as we go along. If you want to see how our PPF works and the self-healing capabilities, check out this video. Okay, the PPF application is complete. The entire car has been covered. We detailed the car on the inside. We're now going to move on. We're going to ceramic coat the seats. This 135 is now done. The customer picked it up from BMW, brought it directly to us. We did a paint decontamination, we did a paint enhancement, we detailed the interior, we ceramic coated the seats, we applied PPF over the entire car. It's now fully protected, ready to be enjoyed. If you guys have any questions about the services that we offer or how our products work, please check below. We've got a link to our website, our Instagram handle and our Facebook page. Feel free to send us a DM on any of those or leave a comment below. We'll get back to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share. We've got new videos for you guys Wednesdays and Sundays. Cheers.